लेकिन सर स्टार्ट कीजिए बम प्लास्टिक एक और एक का बराबर बहुत से हाथ पे होना चाहिए Okay, you want to say something? Say a few words about Akash, the journey in Akash Nagar Class.
Hello, I am Durga Mitra and I joined Akash last year in the Builders batch. I mean, the faculty here is great and the teachers were always there to motivate me, and whenever I felt low after my test, they were always there to check on me and guide me, mentor me, and the module was really good. It has been a lot, especially the momentum booster, and overall the experience was great. Thank you.
Thank you.
फैकल्टीज ने बहुत हेल्प किया मुझे डाउट सॉल्व करने में और मेरे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करने में। फिर यहाँ के टेस्ट सीरीज बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, बहुत हेल्प किया मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करने में और नीट के लिए रेडी करने में। यहाँ के मतलब मॉड्यूल्स भी अच्छे हो रहे हैं बहुत, और मतलब मैं अभी MBBS कर रहा हूँ एक ग्रुप में और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है। थैंक यू।
थोड़ा सा
मैं सौरभ चाचू, इस बार मैं DPTR में आकाश ज्वाइन किया तो मैं पहले बहुत ही डिमोटिवेट था क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर मेरा थोड़ी नंबर के लिए नहीं हुआ सिलेक्शन, तो मैं पहले बहुत डिमोटिवेट था। बट इस साल जब मैं आकाश ज्वाइन किया, यहाँ का फैकल्टी इतने अच्छे हैं, सभी ने मेरे को बहुत मोटिवेट किया। जब भी कोई भी डाउट होता था उन लोगों ने मेरे को हेल्प किया, और इधर की टेस्ट सीरीज बहुत ही अच्छी है। मैं टेस्ट दे के जब भी एनालाइज करता था, कोई भी डाउट आता तो सर हेल्प करते थे। और सबके लिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर।
Available? Yes, sir. Go on.
Abhinav, I joined Akash 3 years ago, but all my friends got selected in the freshers batch, but I got stuck. This year, with many ups and downs, I came to Akash. The faculty really helped me a lot. Gave all the tests without. Every time I didn't practice a lot for this test, but I gave all the tests. at last it helped me sit in the medical.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and we are celebrating the champions of Akash. And ever since the result for NEET as well as JEE have been declared, I am in a spree of celebrating success of students of Akash pan India. A couple of days ago, I was there in Uttarakhand celebrating the same champions of Akash at Haldwani and Rudrapur, and here I am in Agartala. Let me begin with congratulating the champions of Akash at Agartala Center, Lopa Mudra with a score of 550, Vinit Raj with a score of 520, and category AR 706, Souvik Bhattacharjee a score of 501, Abhinandan Dev a score of 496 and category AIR 51, Saurabh Das 469, Anirban Das in JEE Advanced category AIR 13. This, my dear friends, is not the end of the journey. And I'm referring to the champion sitting here. We have with us Arijit also, a star duo, one of the star duos of last year. Both the brothers got AIIMS. Arijit is in AIIMS Jodhpur and his brother is in AIIMS Delhi. So merely cracking NEET or JEE is not the end of the story, for sure. This is merely a very small and minuscule beginning to a very long and struggleful journey. Abhito, what happens now? You are studying for NEET, you are preparing for JEE within the comfort of your homes. Your parents are there to take care of you. Your teachers, your faculties who've been there in school and at the test prep centers like Akash to support you. But once you go into the colleges, irrespective of the fact whether it is a medical college or an engineering college, my dear friends, it would be a lone warrior thing that you will have to get into. You all would be lone warriors. Nobody there to support you emotionally. All your little victories would be celebrated alone in your hostel rooms. And all your lows, or probably the sad parts, probably the only partner that you would have would be your hostel room and probably a pillow of your bed to put your head into and cry alone. I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm just trying to give you the picture of what is coming in. And I'm sure Arijit sitting here can now relate to whatever I'm saying, right? Coming on to Akash, Akash brings with itself a legacy of 36 years, which just started off with 12 students in 1988. I proudly say that we graduate around 350,000 students every year. If I talk about Akash Agartala joined the family in 2021, although the pandemic was there. But I can very proudly say that under the able guidance of Mr. Arindam Ghosh, the center director, Sukhdev sir, the academic head, over the period of past 5 years, we have given consistent results over and over again. And when I say consistent, I can proudly say that more than 300 students, the alumni of Akash Agartala, are studying in various medical colleges across India. And when I refer to medical colleges, I would be referring to only the government medical colleges. An alumni count of more than 100 students from Akash Agartala would be studying in IITs, NITs and the various other government colleges across the country. And the reason for that is a tried and tested teaching pedagogy. The reason is that that each and every faculty member sitting here strongly drive the very value, the core value of the company, which is student first. While I congratulate the champions, it will not be fair if I do not congratulate the faculties also under the able leadership of Sukhdev sir. And nonetheless, the parents, if faculties and students are 50% responsible for the feat that you have achieved today, the rest of the 50% goes to your parents. And for the aspirants or the students who are starting in 11th, 12th, aspiring to be doctors or engineers, please study hard. That is the least that you can do for your parents. And they do not want anything in return from you. The only thing that they want is for you to settle down, for you to have bright careers. Having said that, again at the end of it all, I know it is an event in the evening, so I will not stand in between my champions and their trophies and their certificates. So once again, congratulating all the champions, congratulating the faculties, congratulating Sukhdev sir, and from my side, I would say all the best to the aspirants for next year's NEET and JEE. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you.